this compulsion to pervert the very things that surround us that do not need changing. Was it the computer? Was it when we removed the human soul and put a machine in its place? I don't know. But it is maddening, the banality of it. To stand there while 3,000 years of culture are just flushed down the toilet as if there's nothing to be done about it. Well, I say there is something to be done. We must muster up the courage to say, no, I do not consent to this. That is the voice that will echo the loudest. That is the cry that will reverberate for generations.
Oh, Mr. Brannick.
Hi.
Can I help you?
Yes, actually, you can. Turns out the police are no longer cooperating with us. It's a long story. But the fact of the matter is that someone's been getting into our house.